Hey, Mike Hobbs here, and the last few videos I've been talking about Zoom, where we can go live in Facebook using a Zoom platform. But one of the questions that started popping up was, is there a way to go live on multiple platforms? So let's say you want to go live on your Facebook profile and YouTube at the same time, or maybe you want to go live on your Facebook and then in a Facebook group as well as a Facebook business page and YouTube all at the same time. How do you do that? And the answer is I've actually been using a program called StreamYard, and I'll have a link to StreamYard in the description so you can check it out yourself. But as you can see, this platform will actually allow you to go live in 5 different places at one time. Now that's for the paid version. They have a few different versions. So let me just show you the pricing. So the free version will allow you to go live in one spot, right? So that's no different than something like a Zoom, because you could just go live, on Facebook with Zoom, right? But this one, it actually allows you to, go live in one spot. But then this is the one that I personally use. It's a $20 a month. But what's cool is it allows you to go live in 3 different destinations, right? The professional version allows you to go live in 8 different destinations. So if let's say you wanted to go live in Facebook, YouTube, and a Facebook group all at the same time, then you can use this version right here, go live there. But there's also some other things that I wanted to show you that I really like about this platform. So I'm going to log into my account real quick. Now I'm inside of my account. And what you'll see is I've done this quite a few times. I've been actually using this tool for different trainings and different live streams since let me go back all the way to the first time that I've used the tool. So back since March. So I've been using this tool since March of 2020, and I'm doing this video in October. So I've been using it for quite a while. I'm happy with it. As you can see, I did this one on YouTube and Facebook, that stream. This one I did it on YouTube, Facebook, and Periscope at the same time. This one I actually went live on 4 different places. And then this one right here says, you can see every now and then I'll go live just in one spot, but this one I did 5 different spots. So I had like my profile, my fan page, and a Facebook group, YouTube, and Twitter, right? Or Periscope. So that's kind of the cool thing about this tool, is it allows you to do that. And there's also some other cool features that you may want to use if you want to use something like StreamYard. So as you can see, you can choose different destinations. You can have Facebook pages, groups, or profiles, LinkedIn, YouTube channels, Periscopes, and then there's even Twitch or a custom. So if you do custom, if you have the server URL, the stream key, and the nickname, then you can actually go live in a custom spot. Okay, but those are the current destinations that you can connect your account to. So what you do is you basically just connect your account to the different locations you like. So as you can see, I have a whole bunch. I have my profile, fan page. I have a few different Facebook groups that I'm an admin for. I have my YouTube channel, and then I have Periscope, which is basically Twitter. Twitter owns Periscope. So then you basically add your destinations, and then you go back over here, just click create a broadcast. Then you choose the different destinations. So if I want to go live on my profile, I'll just do test. If you want to go live on your fan page, and then maybe I want to go live on, now my account, I have up to 5. I could choose up to 5, but again, if you get that other version, it's like up to 3, right? So then if I choose here, I could choose my YouTube channel. You can do multiple YouTube channels. That's another cool thing, is you can do multiple Facebook pages, profiles, things like that. But there's the 5 that I'm going to choose right there. And then, so a couple features I really love about StreamYard that kind of puts it above all the others. Number 1, you can schedule it for later without having to go through, like if you saw my last video with Zoom, where you had to schedule it, you had to go to Facebook, you had to connect it, you had to do all this crazy technical stuff. This one just does it all for you, right? It'll schedule it. You can put the thumbnail of whatever live you're going to do. So here we go. So here's just a quick demo thumbnail. So you can upload your own thumbnail for going live. You can schedule it for, you know, a different date. So October 20th, you can choose, then basically then you go back here and then you can edit the text for each individual thing, right? So you can basically edit the text here, you know, the description there. You can edit the text and description and image for every single destination if you'd like. And then you basically just click create broadcast and then it creates it. Now I'm not going to create it because I'm not going live for real, but what I will do is I will take all of these off and then just show you what it looks like for one of them. So let me just do that real quick. So we'll create broadcast, just so I don't confuse people, because they're going to see test. What the heck's this, right? So there we go. So now it's scheduled, and then if you did it in multiple destinations, then basically it would just be scheduled in multiple destinations. And then as you can see, you can. I'll actually go over to my Facebook profile and show you what it looks like. So as you can see, there it is. Test 10 tips. Now I'm going to turn this to only me, because I don't want this showing to everybody. But yeah, there we go. So because this is just a test. So I just switched it. But basically, when it's scheduled, that's how easy it was to schedule a Facebook Live with StreamYard, right? There was no technical skills needed at all. You basically connect your destination, you schedule it, and then if I wanted to schedule it in multiple destinations, I can always go back and choose multiple destinations, right? So you just choose them all. But here is, so that's one of the cool things I really like about this software. But now watch this. When you enter the broadcast studio, so let me go into the broadcast studio real quick. There's a couple things I really like. So as you can see, there's my webcam. I'm going to turn that off because you're already seeing my webcam. But you can obviously connect your audio, your webcam. You have different settings. So if you have a green screen, you can choose a green screen. You can do, you know, obviously if you have a mic, you can do all that kind of stuff. Also the camera, you can do advanced, and you can put it in full definition, high definition. I think it starts at 720, but you can turn it to 1080. But basically you have all these controls, and then watch this. You enter the broadcast room. This is one of my favorite features of this tool. Another favorite feature is on the right hand panel here, it aggregates all of the comments from all of the different places that you're live. So you don't actually have to have Facebook open, you don't have to have YouTube open, you don't have to have Periscope open. You literally can just see all of the comments right here in this one broadcast studio. And then you can also, now obviously if you're going live in a group, it won't actually show their face or their name unless they approve. They have to actually click on a comment or click on a link and in the group, and then it'll actually show their faces and names. That's the only downside to this method, but it works 100% of the time on any public profiles, public fan page, public profile, YouTube account. You'll see their name and their image show up here as they're making comments. So let me actually just go make a comment. Actually, it might not show up because I'm not live yet. This is usually only shows up when they're live. So once you've gone live, so you can click go live early if you'd like. In fact, let me do that real quick. I'm just going to go ahead and go live, just so we can see what the comments look like. So let me refresh my page. And let's see. I think there might be a delay. Oh, there it is. Now it's live. Okay, so as you can see, it's live. Now, when I make a comment, hey, what's up? Now those comments will aggregate right here. As you can see, hey, what's up? See that? And if someone comments from YouTube, it also does the same thing. It shows up, and it even has a little icon that says YouTube from there. So basically, you just keep this broadcast studio open, and any comments that are made on all the different platforms will just show up and compile right here in one area. And then what's also cool is you can show and you can feature those comments. So if you click on show, it shows the comment on the actual live stream. Right? Like these are just some features that I love about StreamYard, and this is why I'm starting to use this over something like Zoom for all of my lives that I do in Facebook or anywhere, because I can go live in multiple places. I can interact. I can see all the comments easier. I can schedule them easier. So it's just a really cool platform. And then you can basically, obviously you would have anything that you add. So if you share your screen, you can add your different screen windows. So let me open up a new window real quick that I'm going to share. So let's say I want to share this, right? So I'm sharing my Google screen over here, and then maybe I want to. So then I can also add my webcam to the stream. You can add up to, like, I believe 10 people. So 10 people can be in here in the same room, and you can add all their webcams to the stream as well. But also one of the other cool things is you can go back and forth with these different views. You can show just your screen. You can show the different webcams on the side of the screen with that view. And you can show like it 50-50 split, so your webcam and the desktop there. And whatever you have showing here is what's showing on Facebook. So, or YouTube, or wherever you're live. Then you can also just show just your webcams, right? You can go back and forth, and you can add different people into the stream. You can click on this and add different people to the stream, right? And it looks like someone found, even though I did it. Hold on, let me switch this to only me. Because it looks like the actual live stream went live, so my bad. But we got a comment live. That was pretty cool on the video. See that? There we go. Hey, Mike. But you guys see that? That was live, and I didn't even know it. But yeah, so you can basically just do different tests. You can do different screens. If I wanted to invite people to the stream, I can give them an invite code, and then they can actually get on the stream with me and talk, right, to the people. And then obviously you have all your settings that you can do in real time and go from there. And then here's a couple other features, and then I'll call this video a wrap. But they have banners, so you can have preset messages that you want to show up on the screen. You can click on them at any time during your video, and you can preset these. Right? Okay. You can preset them. You can just basically click create a banner. And you can just be like, hey, this is a test banner. And then you can have it scroll across the screen. So like this, where it has a little scroll bar, right? Or you can just have regular ones like this. So this is pretty cool features that you can do inside of a broadcast. Obviously, you can choose all of your brand colors, your backgrounds, your logos, your video. You can have little countdown video clips if you'd like. So here's a cool little countdown. That's cool. So like if you want to go live in 30 seconds before like, so once you click live, you want to do a quick little video clip countdown before you actually go live. Sometimes that allows for people to pop on while you're waiting. You can put backgrounds. There's private chat if you want to chat with just the people who are guests, like basically who are, you have their webcams enabled here. You can talk with just them privately. And then obviously the different settings. But yeah, so that's basically StreamYard in a nutshell. I'm going to go ahead and end this broadcast. And then, you can just say, you can send them feedback. But here's another cool thing. So I'm going to return to my dashboard. And then what's another awesome feature is that you can look at your past broadcasts, and up to 15 days, you can download the recording. So you can download this recording within 15 days. So, you can download just the audio. So as you can see, you can download the audio or the video. And this is a really cool feature if you wanted to maybe go upload this or edit the recording and put it somewhere like on YouTube or wherever. You can go back through and edit them post. All right, but basically that's the StreamYard in a nutshell. Just to kind of recap, it allows you to go live in multiple areas. It allows you to show your comments that you're getting on screen. So like if you're doing a Q&A live, it allows you to do that. It allows you to put banners. It allows you to put call to actions. It allows you to interact with people and see all the comments from every stream. Everywhere you're live, you can see them all in one spot. And it's not that expensive. I mean, the $20 version is affordable and it allows you to go live in 3 different spots. If you want more functionality, 8 different spots, you can get the $40 a month. But, hey, if you're making money, these tools just allow you to, make your life easier, right? Make your life easier. So I will have a link to this tool below. They do have an affiliate program, so it will support this channel if you buy it from me. But, it's not like a crazy affiliate deal. In fact, if you use my link, you'll get a $10 credit and I'll get a $25 credit if you ever purchase it. So that's kind of the referral program. It's not a recurring, it's not a residual. I actually haven't told anybody about this yet until this video because, I've been using it for about 6 or 7 months or so, and I'm really enjoying it. And I've been getting questions about how to go live in multiple places. So you're the first to know about this tool on my video channel here. So if you want to support the channel, I'll have my link in the description, and you can get a free $10 credit. But there is a free level as well. So if you want to try it out with one platform, just try it out, try out the features, see if you like it. If you like it, you can keep it. If you don't like it, then don't buy it, right? Don't buy the paid version. So anyway, that's my video for today. Be sure to subscribe. I do lots of videos to help you grow as an entrepreneur, and different tech videos to show you the tools and how to use them. So anyway, make it a wonderful day. Give me a like and a comment. Let me know if you have any questions below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.